What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to take this door panel on this 2015 BMW 435i Grand Coupe Turbo with a 3.0 liter. Got to start off by taking this off right here. You got to pry it from the bottom. There's like two little notches, or little gaps should I say, that you can put some of your
trim tools.
Alright, but you have to pry off carefully. There is like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 little clips in there. They attach to the back of this. Right on these. And then you gotta be careful because there's like this little angle thing right here, which goes right here, goes right in there. Alright, so once you're done with that, you got a looks like an Allen bit, Allen bolt. Sorry, Torx. It's Torx. I'll show you the size in a second. Alright, so it looks like it's a T25. You're gonna need a little extension and a 1/4-inch ratchet. Take 1, 2 bolts off. Alright, so you're gonna need a little magnet to get them out of the hole. So when you go to pop this out, with help of and also pulling with your hands, there are 10 of these, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those clips that go here, and then there are a few plugs in the way that you have to get out just to get this door panel out. And then in this case I have to get this side mirror out because it's broken. But yeah. Alright, so if you're trying to take the back of the door handle off of this, there is like a little piece that hooks up to this piece right here. Just pry it back and then lightly just pull it off. These little arms, they slide into there, back there, and then once you hook it back on, it flip on. Perfect. So all you do is pop this off. You got 2 little tabs, one right here and one right here, and then pop this piece back, and then you got 1, 2, 3 bolts on there, and you got this little connector. Just push on these 2 little tiny tabs and pull. And then you can get the side mirror off once you get these 3 bolts off. They are a size 14, so you get a socket and an electric gun or a ratchet with it. Carefully pull it out. And there we got it. And then it's everything in reverse order once you put your side mirror in. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video helped. See you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification button for the next video. Bye.